Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing another unboxing from Beauteque, and it's going to be on May's Beauty Box and Mask Maven. So let's get started. So if you guys are new to Beauteque, they are a beauty subscription service shop website, and they basically have a beauty box or a Mask Maven set that you can subscribe to every month. So every month they'll send you new goodies or different goodies for a set price. So the first thing I'm gonna start off with is the Mask Maven. I'm not gonna go too in depth with these because this is just an unboxing. So I'm gonna show you what I received in each package. So this month's theme is Magic, Fairy Tales, and Fantasy. So this is the informational card that you'll get with your Mask Maven or Beauty Box. Inside we have the informational piece to it. So you have all the different types of masks listed and then a brief description of each. So you do get 9 different types of masks for the price of $13 a month. So the first 2 items are from Purederm. This is their Deep Purifying Black Oxygen Bubble Mask, and I have 2, one in Volcanic and one in Charcoal. Now the Volcanic one says that it's for deep cleansing, pore cleaning, skin purification, and hydration. And then the Charcoal one is for purifying, peeling, toning up, and moisture. Next we have from COS.W. This is the My Real Skin Apple Mask. This one is actually quite interesting. It says that an apple a day keeps the doctor away, and apples are packed with vitamin C, which helps brighten your complexion and even out your skin tones. Next up we have the My Scheming 7-in-1 Brightening Essence Mask. This is from Mediheal. This is the Pumpkin Vita Aid Mask. And that's how it looks like. It says this pumpkin mask tightens loose pores, regulates sebum, as well as provides moisture to your complexion. It contains autumn squash, which lifts and smooths your skin. This one I've received before. This is the NOHJ Modeling Mask Serum Pearl Mask. I really like sturdy packaging, but this one is from May Island. This is the Sparkle Pearl Sheet Mask. Feel how sturdy it is? I love that. And there's a picture of a pearl. This is from S&P. This is the Animal Tiger Wrinkle Mask. And I honestly am not a really big fan of the animal or like whatever types of mask that has like a design on it. It's just, it looks scary sometimes. So the last mask I'm going to show you guys is a mystery mask that they add with your Mask Maven. This is from Wonjin Effect. This is their Lightning Tone Up Mask. And I really like the packaging. I love the colors. It's just like a neon pink and a baby blue color in the background. Alright, so that was it for the Mask Maven. Now let's move on to the Beauty Box. So again, inside you get the little informational card, and then on the inside it lists all the products that are included in that month's box, and then short description and their retail value. So as far as pricing, you get 6 full-size products for the price of $24. And these are all the goodies that came inside my box. So I'm just gonna go and grab them one by one and show you guys. So since I grabbed this one first, I might as well just show you, but it is a unicorn sleeping mask. How does that look, guys? Actually, this will come in handy because sometimes it just gets way too bright in my room and the window is right above my bed, and sometimes I can't sleep like that. So this is gonna come in handy. This also retails for $6. Next we have from Su-A-Yeon. This is the, what is this? This is the Deep Moisture Lavender Body Peeling Mist. Let me read you guys what it says. This retails for $18. And it is used to exfoliate your skin. So it says gently exfoliate to reveal softer skin with this body peeling mist. This floral mist contains lavender, rosemary, and aloe vera extracts which minimize irritation and soothe your skin while maximizing dead skin cell removal. So here's the packaging, how it looks like, a little spray top. Next we have from Urban Dollkiss. This is the Magic Rose Modeling Gel Mask. And it looks bougie. How many comes in here? Oh, it's just one. Ooh, and it comes with a spatula. This retails for $9. And there's also picture instructions on the back in case you don't read Korean. What is this? This is from the brand Yuki. This is the Professional Highlighter Beam. And I'm assuming it's just a highlighting cream. Oh. Ooh. Actually, oh, I lied. It applied really nice, but then when I patted it in, it's actually kind of sheer. I don't know. It'll look nice if you're really into that natural kind of glow. And this retails for $6. This is from Mizon. This is the Bye Bye Pimple Patch. So this is how the packaging looks like. And I almost feel like it could be just like the COS.W one. I'm just gonna open it. This retails for $4.50. And oh, it looks just like the ones from COS.W. So, last product is from the brand Yedam. Hello. There we go. This is the Yunbit Prime Luxury Gold Lifting Cream. And it already looks luxurious already, so. Ooh. Ah. Look at this packaging, you guys. That is gorgeous. So this cream is used for improving blood flow, preventing premature aging, and increasing skin's elasticity. Whoa. Look at that. Oh, that just looks like pure gold. I'm just gonna take some from the lid. Ooh, it has a very like soapy, like clean, fresh smell. Ooh, that smells so good. It just looks, I just want to keep this on my dresser. Oh, and then this retails, I forgot to mention, this retails for $25. So that's already the price of the box itself. So you guys are getting a really good deal here, guys. Oh no, I thought the sun was coming out for a second there. Alright, so that is it for my unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed it. A special thank you to Beauteque, as always, for not only supporting me, but sending me all these lovely products to unbox for you guys. I cannot thank them enough. I love you guys. But yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll leave all their links down below and a coupon code to get 25% off your first box. So go check it out, guys. And yeah, I think that's it. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.